So hi, I'm Kev from Fish Divine Catering and Events and joined up with the wonderful and long-standing Whitsunday Provisioning to revolutionise charter industry and the provision of food onto the charter industry, the bareboat industry and the Whitsundays. So rather than ordering your booze from here and catching a cab to Coles there and going shopping here, we're acting as a coordinator. You can bring everything to us. Coles delivers to us, the bottle shop delivers to us. We pack our beautiful restaurant standard food, either frozen or fresh, into the same delivery straight to your boat. So we're just doing a little night tonight at the beautiful Ocean Club at Coral Sea Resort Marina, and introducing our concept to the bareboat industry, to all the bareboat bookers and charter operators, so they get to understand that the price is right, the food is wonderful, and the simplicity for the guests is what it's all about. No more catching a cab, no more trying to find a trolley. It all happens, just one website, one order and done. Okay, so the menu is around barbecue ready. So this gorgeous butterfly leg of lamb has already been sous vide cooked for 6 hours. It's perfect, it's juicy, it's tender, and all we're doing is basically charring over barbecue to add some flavour to the outside. It comes with the duck fat potatoes. You've got some lovely pork ribs here that again have been sous vide cooked and smoked, beautiful barbecue sauce. So a lot of things done on the barbecue on the back deck. And then the really fun stuff is done in a water bath. So it's just a pot of simmering water on the stove, and there's a beautiful Thai fish curry for one, which was famous at the restaurant. For the 20 years we operated, this was the one dish we could never take off. We've got everything's packed in 6s or 1s. So you've got a chicken curry, lovely chicken curry for 6. You've got vegetables that'll go with our lovely lamb. Beef cheeks, aren't these a star? These are slow cooked for 8 hours. Beautiful beef cheeks with the sauce, and the trimmings make a beef cheek pasta, which is again one of the most popular dishes we had at the restaurant for all the years. That's a beef cheek pasta for 6. So we're trialling out a heap of food tonight to showcase to the charterers, show them what we can do, and hopefully as a charter guest on a bareboat in the Whitsundays, your holiday starts the moment you arrive. Not a cab, not a trolley, not a what are we going to have for dinner. It's all done. You pre-plan it, book it online, pay once, and we deliver the whole lot together when it suits you, not when it suits Coles Online. Again, this is a butterfly whole lemon and thyme chicken. Again, it's a beautiful piece of chicken, already boned out, sous vide cooked again. So that's been cooked at 65 degrees for 2 hours. So it's just cooked, it's still juicy, and all we're going to do is take it out of the bag, char it on the barbecue to add some flavour, and you've got dinner for 6 in less than 10 minutes. It just can't be easier than that on a boat. I'll be the chef, you're not stuck in the galley. We've got the lamb, we've got the pork ribs, we've got the potatoes, we've got the chicken wings, all on. We've got the fish curry, the chicken curry, vegetables, rice, beef cheeks, tagliatelle. Amazing what you can do on a Weber and 2 little stoves. So I'm feeding 40 people here this afternoon on food that's so easy to prepare, and I'm going to feed 40 people in 15 minutes. So if you're feeding 6 people on a boat, it's so easy, so easy. But whole barramundi, eggs Benedict for 6. The eggs, the muffins, the spinach, the ham, the hollandaise sauce for 6. Perfect. Eggs Benedict for 6. Whole barramundi, all wrapped up, seasoned up, ready to go. Yes, the seafood chowder, barbecue pack, steak, lamb cutlets, sausages, marinated chicken, comes with pre-cooked onions, and the sauce. Half a lobster, already garlic buttered up, straight on the barbecue.